Okay, first, gonna go to Roblox Creator. And you just go to Creator Hub and go to Avatar Item and go to the button Upload Asset and upload some whatever you want. You can type in whatever you want.
Diyan sa'yo si Kuya Tobe. Number ni sa'yo. Bakit?
And upload.
Where?
And you're done. Go to Roblox.
750,000 per month.
Go to Roblox and
Kaya nga, 750,000 sa peso.
go to Roblox.
Sarap na no per month, ganun sa
Go to Customize and go to Clothing and Classic T-shirts. And bam, that's you can get. And that's it. Yeah, of course you can change your avatar, whatever you want, man.
Video call mo muna. Bago ka maniwala.
That's it.